This video and this information could change your life. Just sit back, relax, and treat this video like a podcast and just pay attention. Hear me out for just a few minutes. Enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the video on my channel. And today we have potentially the next quick 100x. And I'm not even joking. Right? So, no, it is not Popcat. It is Bork. Yes, Bork. Currently, I got in at $8 million market cap. It pretty much is just another dogecoin. However, the reason why I trust this, and I think it's going to go up potentially 10x in the next few days, is because if we actually go and look at Bork itself, when we look at the data, we can see it went sideways. It had its pump, right? And then it went dumped, and it kind of consolidated pretty much for almost 2 months, which is a very long time. But what does that mean? The longer the consolidation period, the bigger the pump. And that's just a fact. So if we quickly draw this out, we can see pretty much this is the main support. This is the daily, first of all. So this has a lot more value. We can see for multiple days, we pretty much rejected off this area. And you can tell we're starting to blast off. We broke up, went down, and now we're going back up. So what is one area I can see touching a lot? This area, this, right? So what am I going to do here? I'm pretty much going to draw like this. So there we go. Boom. Now if we go to the 4-hour chart, you can tell a lot of the candles are in this area. Pretty much we respect this area, and we can see in the last few hours, we've been pretty much starting to pump, right? Other key areas in the short term are pretty much this. This area is pretty much a double top. This is the closing, and this is the all-time high. Now, if we go on the hourly, we can see, right, goes into it, and then pretty much, like we said, the dailies close here. So although this coin is at an $8 million market cap, why do I trust it so much? Well, fundamentally, it's good that it has pretty much all the supply out, right? That is a good thing. Number two, a real pump and dump would have been straight like this. So let me just draw out for you like this. It would have went straight down, right? Or some rug pulls go like this, and then like this. Or some go like this, like that, right? Has pretty much not had that behavior. It's had a lot of consolidation, right? It had some type of, sideways movement. It went up, had its pump, boom. It's been respecting this area. And now we're slowly looking to start breaking through this area, take out this high. Then what we're going to be looking for is to have daily closes, or at least 4-hour closes above this blue line. And once we do that, we're looking to break this. Once we break it, retest off this area, and we are going to blast off. I genuinely think in the short term, this is going to go from pretty much an $8 million market cap to 70, 80, $100 million. And I mean just in a couple days. And the reason why I say this is because we've been going sideways for 2 months. So once again, the longer it goes sideways, the bigger the pump, right? So fundamentally, it's looking really well. And once this starts blowing up and starts expanding from these areas, it's going to go on the main page. More people are going to talk about it on Twitter. It's going to get more traction. Once it starts getting more traction, then it's going to get listed more on different places. And there's going to be a compound effect where we can 10x in just a few days. And then you know how it is with these types of coins. These coins can go from $80 million to $200 million the next week. A month from now, it could be at $1 billion. 8 months from now, it could be at 20 billion, right? And I'm not saying this is necessarily going to happen for this coin, but I do think genuinely this could be a hidden gem. And I do think meme coins are going to pump more than ever. Not only that, I believe that this can be a very, very quick 10, 15x literally in the next week or two, which would be amazing because it's like if you put in $1,000 and you get out $10,000 within a week, and other altcoins, let's say like Render hasn't moved too much, or a different type of coin that you're really high and keen on, you put that $10,000 in Render, and if that 10x's, you pretty much have the equivalent to 100x. I'm not going to break down it fully, guys, but pretty much you have one 100x Or you could have 1,000 go to 10,000 and then put that 10,000 in another 10x and have that go to 100,000. And that's pretty much the equivalent of making a 10x. But I'm not going to look to break down that and then explain that in this video. But Bork, this is my high risk play. Definitely the highest risk in terms of meme coins. And if I lose my money, I lose my money. But in terms of technical analysis and even fundamentals, this looks really, really solid. It could be a gem. Remember, we're only at $8 million market cap. So for you to 10x, it has to go to 80. For you to 100x, it has to go to 800 million. For you to make 1,000x, it has to go to 8 billion. And like I said, in my opinion, there's going to be multiple meme coins that go to in billions of dollars. And the reality is, even if we don't go to billions, in the short term, we can 10x. Now, if you want more confirmation, you'll be looking to enter here, and maybe your gains won't be as high. Maybe you'll get a 5, 6, 7x. And maybe I'm still undershooting this. Maybe this will like literally 20x from here. I don't know. And when I say 20x, I mean 20x in the next week or two. But yeah, guys, so pretty much if you want more confirmation, you're going to be looking to get into the breaks over here and for it to shoot up. For me, pretty much this is enough of a confirmation. We respected this area pretty much for 2 months. Multiple times we tried. We're bouncing. Then we broke through this bounce. Now we're respecting this key area. And in my opinion, the next big key area is just to close above this and then a close above this. And we're pretty much off. Going to be shooting from 8 to 50, 60, $100 million market cap. If you guys have any hidden gems or are big on any other coins that are not pretty much the mainstream ones, let me know. And I'll talk to you guys next time.